Hello everyone! Today I'm bringing you guys the brand new Magpie gel polish collection, which is called Pretty in Pink, and it features 5 new pink shades. And I don't know about you guys, but pink is probably my highest requested color at my salon, so it's definitely good to have a full range of pink shades in your collection, and these are going to be 5 new beautiful additions to my collection. You guys can purchase these from magpiebeautyusa.com. I'll also link the UK website as well if you are in the UK, but the USA website ships to the US and Canada. So let's dive right in and I'll show you guys these 5 new beautiful colors. The first shade is called Angelina Ballerina, and it is described as a shimmering ballet slipper pink, which this one is absolutely gorgeous. That slight subtle of shimmer is beautiful. And here I am painting my first coat on the nail. It is a semi-sheer, so it's not going to be 100% opaque. It's a really delicate pink shade with that beautiful shimmer in it. And for the Magpie gels, they do need 60 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV to cure them. And here is the second coat. So the second coat does add a little bit more of opacity to the nails. However, it is still a semi-sheer color, so it is going to be a tiny bit sheer. I do love this shimmer in this pink. It's absolutely stunning, that slight subtle shimmer. All these shades also would be really good because we are coming into wedding season and stuff like that. So these colors are great for some classic simple nails. The next shade is called Vintage Rose, and this is like a lilac with pink undertones. And this one is a cream. It has no shimmer or sparkle in it at all, and this one is opaque. So this one is not going to be see-through. As you can see from the first coat, it has pretty good coverage. Now I am applying my second coat, making sure I have cured in between each coat. And this pink is gorgeous. I think this one's going to be pretty popular because it's not too bright, not too pastel. It's like that perfect, medium, soft pink. The next shade is Calla Lily, and this one is also a cream, so it doesn't have any shimmers or sparkles in it. And this one is described as a neutral spring pink. So this one's going to be a little bit darker than the Vintage Rose, and it's going to have more of a stronger pink hue to it. And at the end, I will show you guys all of the colors next to each other so you can get a good comparison. This one, it does have, to me, it has a slight, peachy pink hue to it. So there is the 2 coats of Calla Lily, which is a beautiful pink. The next color is called Forget Me Not, and this one's going to be more of a nude taupe pink. So not as strong of a pink undertone, almost more on the nude side. And this one is a semi-sheer. So there is my first coat of Forget Me Not, then applying my second coat. And the second coat does definitely add more opacity to the color. I think if you wanted it even more opaque, you could probably do a third coat, but it's meant to be a semi-sheer shade. And there's 2 coats of Forget Me Not. The last color is my personal favorite. It is called Mother of Pearl. And it is this gorgeous, shimmering, opal white pink. So it kind of has white shimmers that reflect that pink, and it's so beautiful. And this one is a semi-sheer, and you can totally layer this one over different colors. If you want to add kind of like that opal shimmer to any color, you can totally put this one over top, and it'll just add that stunning sparkle to whatever color you apply it over. Now I'm going in with my second coat, and it does build it up quite a bit. It is definitely semi-sheer, but it has pretty good coverage. So there's 2 coats of mother of pearl. So here I'm applying, just to show you guys, that mother of pearl, just 1 coat over, this is vintage rose. And it just adds that stunning like pearl over that color. So you could use this like so many different ways. And then I'm going to apply it over the Calla Lily just to show you guys the difference. It just adds the like most stunning like pearl effect to whatever color you put it on. So this is definitely like my favorite shade just because it's so versatile and it's just gorgeous. Here are all the shades next to each other so you guys can see the differences. We have Angelina Ballerina on the pinky, Vintage Rose, Calla Lily, Forget Me Not, and then last but not least, the Mother of Pearl color. These are definitely a great addition to your collection if you need more pinks. I always suggest, again, pinks are going to be your highest, most requested color, so having a good range is always beneficial to you in your collection. So which shade is your guys' favorite? Are you going to be picking up this collection? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.